Hello, this is Mr. Molo for lesson 7-5, volume of prism. So 2/3 of the things we're learning in this lesson should be review. The one thing that's going to be new is the volume of a cylinder. So we did rectangle before, we did triangle before. Cylinder is going to be the one that's new. So remember, for volume of prisms, we're really just multiplying the three things you know. So length, width, and depth. So this has a length of 3, height of 3, and a depth of 3. So 3 by 3 by 3 gives me 27 cubic inches. All right. This next one has a height of 2, a depth of 1. It's only one row, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 by 6 by 1 gives me a volume of 12. Remember, now that I'm dealing with volume, everything's going to be in cubes, so cubed inches or cubed, whatever it's going to be. This one has a length of 4, a height of 3, and a depth of 3. So 4 times 3 times 3 gives us 36 cubic units. Alright, this one says that we have a box that has a volume of 48 inches cubed. What is the height of the box? So kind of like that last problem. So I have a 3 and a 4, which is a 12. I know my answer is 48. So 12 times what gives us 48? Well, the answer is going to be 4. All right, triangle, remember, is pretty much the same thing, except since the triangle, you're going to divide by 2. Doesn't matter when you divide by 2, you can do it whenever. So I have a base of 3, height of 4, and the height of the prism is 10. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120. 120 divided by 2 gives us 60. Or if I had something, let's just say I want to divide let's just divide the 4 by 2 right away. So 3 times 10 is 30, 30 times 2 is 60. Doesn't matter when you divide by 2, as long as somewhere in the process you divide by 2. All right, this one has a base of 5, height of 7, and a depth of 9 inches. And there's not really a good time to divide by 2 here because we got all odd numbers. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 times 9 is 315. 315 divided by 2 is going to give us 157.5 cubic inches. Alright, so this is the new one, going back to volume of a cylinder. Let's go back to that first slide. The volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. I'll write that down right on the screen. So pi times the radius squared. Keep writing. Radius squared times the height. So I know my radius right here is 9, so I have a 9 squared. My height is 25. My pi is 3.14. So again, if they give us the diameter, we have to cut that in half. So if I times 9 squared is 81, times 25, times 3.14, I end up getting 6,358.5, which would make it D. There's our check mark. There's our answer. Alright, and for this one, same process. So I have pi times the radius squared times the height. So this time my radius is 12, so 12 squared times 40, because there's my height, and times pi. So 12 squared, 144 times 40 times 3.14 gives me 18,086.4, which would end up giving me C. I'll make my own check mark. Okay, so multiply all those out and you would get C. Apparently none of them want to work.